everyone, hope you've all been well. Right now I'm looking at triangle kimbap recipes. So it's also known as like onigiri in Japan, I guess. So if you've ever been to a convenience store in either Korea or Japan, you would know these. Like, they're these triangle figures, triangle rice figures covered in seaweed, and they're like a whole bunch of flavors. So I'm looking at recipes that I can do because I want to try and recreate it, since it's one of my all-time favorite foods from both countries. So let's see how this goes. This looks so good. Oh my god.
Run.
Hi! Hello! Hi! Hello, I'm here, and just wanted to show you guys. So this is really cool in my opinion, because my grandfather on my mother's side was a farmer, and basically we own, like, the family owns this huge lot, and my mom and her siblings divided each into, I don't know if they're equal parts, but they have their own separate like section, which is, I think, is really cool. So like here behind me, that's our lot, our family's lot, but we don't have a house because we just go here from time to time. I think we're going to build one soon though. And for example, that was our lot, and right in front of us is my aunt, one of my aunt's house, and there are also like two other houses for two of my aunts, because not all of the siblings have built yet. They're like 7. So in this whole big lot of our grandfathers, each child of my grandfather has their own space, which I think is really cute. So it's basically just like a big clan, like our family's clan, and like everyone is just near each other, and I think it's really sweet. That's why it's really fun to be here, because like everyone, like there's always people around, and everything just feels so lively and homely, and it's really nice. Hello everyone, so right now we're about to go to the grocery. I just finished working out, that's why I look like this, but I wanted to be there by opening hours because I'm not used to vlogging in public yet. So we're gonna go to the grocery. I got my grocery list here, and yeah, we're just gonna buy the things we need and see you there. I like how the grocery is basically deserted. Perfect for a newbie vlog. I plan to make some chia pudding, so I needed a mason jar. There are no people, guys. It's so empty. Oh my gosh, that was crazy. So like after I went out from the cafe, it was raining so hard and there were so many people because there was like something going on downstairs. So like I wasn't able to really film much because it was so chaotic because the rain was so bad, the wind was so bad, and there were so many people talking. Whew, oh wow, that was something I haven't experienced for a good 7 months. So kind of refreshing, kind of stressful, but it was fun nevertheless. Hello everyone, so welcome to my setup. I'm once again on this table. If you've watched some of my other videos, I'm pretty sure you're already sick and tired of this table, but everywhere else is pretty messy, so I'm not going to show that. Anyway, I have my laptop here to show me the recipe and I will be preparing everything here. All that's left is to manifest the chef in me, who actually doesn't exist, but we'll still try. So right now I will be attempting to make triangle kimbap, and I will be following a recipe on YouTube, so I will be leaving the link of that in the description box. So I think it's time to go and prep the ingredients. All cut up. Now to prepare the marinade. I was about to wing it, just estimating, but I've never been good at winging things, so I'll just be measuring it with a spoon. Let's see if I can do that. I don't know, is this even valid? Oh my. This is to get rid of the pork smell as far as I know. Just gonna, yeah, and we have the white pepper. What taste? It's about that much. Alright, and then just mix it all together. Alright, we'll leave that aside for a bit and I'm going to start chopping some veggies. But okay, now I've got some red hot pepper, green hot pepper, some green onions, and some onions. Okay, let's go. I don't think this is the chili that they use. I don't know if this is too spicy. I don't think. We'll make it work. How can you go wrong with spiciness, you know? I love spicy food. Next we have the onion. Oh my god, I can't. I have pretty much destroyed the onion, but we're still doing this. So, I can't get that tail out. Wait a minute. Of course. There you go. Oh my god, it's not here. Oh my gosh. Alright, on to the next phase. Good enough. Oh my gosh. forgot. I think. Okay, let's mix it. Okay, so now something is pretty wrong because it's too thick. So let's add soy sauce. Soy sauce. Oh, it's marinating pretty nicely, I think. Right. Okay, I'm going to let this sit for 2 hours, 1.5 hour, whatever. And I'll come back to you when it's time to stir fry the pork. Something arrived while I was studying. What? It's so big, I know. I think this is a vacuum cleaner. Okay, now we just got the parts. It is the vacuum cleaner. Now I'm just gonna assemble this. I think I'm assembling it. Oh wow! This gives me a lot more joy than I think it's supposed to. Okay, I think it's time to fail making the triangle kimbap. First attempt, let's go. The rice isn't super sticky, so let's see what happens. Compress the triangle one way or another. Oh no. Ah. So this is why Koreans just buy triangle kimbap at the convenience store instead of making it at home. I'd say it's not a success, but it's not a failure either. The rice is too not sticky, but it is pretty much a triangle. It's basically a loose samgakkimbap. Oh my gosh. So the first one's a fail. I'm going to attempt it one more time, but I can open it like so. But I'll attempt it one more time and see if it goes any better. It's a success! What I changed was I cut the meat into smaller pieces and I added some oil to the guide, so that the rice wouldn't stick. Anyway, I was able to make one, thank God. But I already ate the first one and I'm pretty full. So I'm just gonna give this to one of my family members. This was challenging. It's like cooking and origami all at once. Anyway, I think that's it for my vlog. I will be making these remaining stuff into some kimbap maybe. So I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. See you guys soon!